Sorry, I was taking a reprimand from Mr. Coleman.
That's okay.
Never seen that man so out of breath.
All right, sir, you Marshall Chance? And Mr. Chance is here in cause number 26 DCCR 0370 and charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Mr. Gertz is the attorney. Mr. Eckhart's here for Mr. Gertz today and has filed a motion asking that I consider removing the GPS monitoring device because you're unable to get on the premises of work. Is that correct? There's an issue?
Yes, Judge. So since he's been on bond conditions, he's been on short-term leave. He is now in the process of trying to get back to work, and the facility will not let him work where he does, where his normal job duties require because he works around explosives. The GPS company, they've gone through efforts to see if the GPS company can verify the equipment as it's an industry term, intrinsically safe, meaning that it can withstand any elements that would potentially cause ignitable liquids to explode. So I think there's a lot of devices that cannot go into certain facilities because they are not deemed intrinsically safe, like cell phones and things like that. And the GPS monitoring company cannot verify that. So we're kind of at an impasse where he's either going to lose his job or we're going to have to figure out another way to monitor him.
All right, and just for the record, I am taking judicial notice of the court's file, review the probable cause affidavit as well, and that underlying offense. Mr. Smith, what's the state's position?
I don't, and I understand where they're coming from, and I guess I don't have much of a position.
And Judge, just for the
A person would lose their job.
right, just for the court's.
Well, I mean, I would too. However, there's obviously the allegations are very serious. Has there been any issue that you know of? Have you heard from the complaining witness?
Not that I've heard from, and not that I know of, Judge.
So here's what I want to do. I would like for you to get in touch with her prior to me ruling on this. And what I can do is we don't necessarily, if there's no issues with her and any contact, put it in an email between myself and you and Mr. Gertz, and I can make a ruling without having to come back to court. And I can do that a little quicker since we don't have a docket next Monday. If there is an issue, then obviously if we need to come back, we'll reset it just for a couple of weeks and come back and let everybody make that argument or bring her here or whatever we need to do. Okay. All right. So stay in touch with Mr. Gertz. He'll be getting an email and we'll figure that out if there's any issues, and then I'll make a will for that.